Hello, my name is Dylan Hunter, and this is my week 3 app. Uh, so this app, I made a splash page when it first opens up. So this is the first page. It's going to have a login and password field. I have a native iOS navigation window, and this is a if statement that's going to run if it's Android, and then if it's iOS, it's going to run the nav window. So this is all that for if it's iOS or Android, and that's the first window. Uh, so there's an option for a sign-up window. So if you want to sign in, this is what's going to run on your next window. It's got a lot of conditionals too for iOS and Android. It exports all my functions that are on this window. And everything runs smoothly. I got to add event listeners for everything that's going to be clicked. So after that, it'll send you back to the main page, and then this is what's going to run next is a geolocation function. What I did here is I made a map app, so I used Google's API to pull up map information. So after it gets your geolocation, it's going to go into this build map module. So it's going to get your latitude and longitude, and then it's going to create your map. So for Google or Android devices, I had to put them into the tiapp.xml file. So this is my Google API key, as you can see here, Android Google API. This is what's going to run both of the maps, actually, as you can see here, iPhone and Android, ti.map that I have in my module.js. This is a conditional for the Google Play services is available. Now, when I've already got it pulled up, so I'll show you, but this is my database. Basically, for the database, I just wanted to get my lat and longitude. That way, the map was still open from your last login. So it reads and then saves your data. So, okay, let's show. So this is on Android. So a simple layout of login. I do have hint text, but I think they're specific to iOS. But if you're not a member, you can become a member. So you can sign in unless you log in. So here, Google Play Services is missing. And I found out that on Genie Motion, the Google Play Services isn't on here. It's actually on the paid version. So I'm not able to actually see my app. But you can see the search bar up here. That would actually search through the map if it would open up if I had Google Play Service. But it works great on the iPad, which I'll show you here in a second. Alright, so here's the app on the iPad. I already have it pretty much set up and ready to go. So if you click login, it's going to bring up the map. And this should work on any Android device, just one with the Google Play services enabled. Then up here, you can use the search container to search through places using the Google API. But that's my app.